Mango pudding. Make a sweet treat on a hot summer day. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups mango pieces, 1 package gelatin, half cup water, half cup sugar, pinch of salt, 1 cup coconut milk or evaporated milk, and a blender. Step 1. Blend the mango pieces into a puree. Step 2. With the grown-up's help, boil the water and then add it to the gelatin. Stir until dissolved. Step 3. Add the mango puree, sugar, salt, and milk. Stir until smooth. Step 4. Pour the mixture into small bowls. Put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours to set. Step 5. Optional. Top with shredded coconut and mango pieces. Then dig in. Yum!